Guys, today we are playing Fling Things and People. What the shit? Bro, today you're asking why I'm not uploading videos like 2 months or 1 month. Bro, what the heck is your problem? What the heck is your problem? What the heck is your problem? This is your problem? Okay, let me show you your problem. I mean, no. Bro, what the? What? Oh, oh, oh. What does? Bro's hacking. Bro, I think he's using admin commands. I just fling him. No, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking. How did he even make this? It's like roller coaster. I broke his wings. Bro, what? Nah, you're getting cooked, bro. You're getting cooked, bro. You're getting cooked. What does? Oh, 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 oh. What the signal is that, bro? Hey, Baldi. What I do? What did I even do? Fling me, fling me, fling me. Fling me, fling me, fling me. Go fling me. Ah! Fling me, fling me. You're getting cooked, bro. Pa! You're fried chicken. Let me. Okay, let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Okay, sorry for being loud. Oh! Where am I flying? What the Sigma just happened? What the? How did he even make this? How? What the Sigma is this, bro? Let me get revenge on you. Eh, 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 eh. Woohoo! Green ball. Help, help, help. You almost... Wow! This is kinda fun. What the Sigma is happening? Let me add some more ingredient. What happened if... What the... So many hackers, so many hackers. So many hackers, so many hackers. Oh, so many hackers. So many hackers. What the? Keeps. Let me fly away. I wanna run away. Where's that? Okay, guys. I will show you something. Okay, guys. Let's just wait for to spawn. Let's go. It's fun. It's fun. I know you already know this glitch, but I will just show it. Let me double it. Let me double it. Let me double it. Let me double it. 3, 2. What the? Who's that? What? Oh my god, bro. What? What the? Okay, guys, we just switched onto the another server because there was a hacker. But what the Sigma is this? Let me go in. Let me go in. What? So many babies. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Let me get this. Let me borrow it. What the? Let me just borrow. Let me just borrow. Let me just borrow. Why do you not like to borrow? Let me borrow. Let me borrow. Oh, sheesh. Oh. Excuse me. How do you fling frog like this? What the? It didn't even move. Waradu! Let me spin. What the? I wanna run away. You wanna fly away. Bro, leave me alone. You're not slick, bro. You're not slick. I almost fall. I wanna run away. I wanna fight, bro. Ning, 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 ning. How didn't even dodge it? Let me catch this, okay? I catch myself. Let's go. You cannot fling me. You cannot hide. Ha 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 ha. Oh! How, bro? He's a hacker. I hate hacker. Report nothing. Oh. Okay. Somebody not own this house. Let me fling this NPC. Oh, where's she? Where is the NPC? Where is the NPC? Oh no, I crashed. To the underground, what will you prefer? What? He is coming for me. Help! Help me! Help! Help! You're gonna reject it. How did it even? Just one move. He don't move. Bro, Saka! You're gonna regret it. Okay. Hehehe. I'm gonna fling you. Yo, what's up, guys? That's for all, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy it. Peace out.